Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the smartwatch Noise Ultra 3. I've been using it for the past couple of weeks, and I have to say, I'm impressed with what it has to offer. Let's start with the design and build quality of the smartwatch Noise Ultra 3. It comes with a round dial with 22mm silicone strap. That's comfortable to wear throughout the day. The watch is lightweight, and you won't even feel like you're wearing it. The 1.96 AMOLED display is bright and easy to read, and the touch response is excellent. It has IP68 water resistance. Moving on to the features of the smartwatch Noise Ultra 3. It comes with a lot of them. Auto sports detection. It has a heart rate monitor, blood oxygen level monitor, sleep tracker, step counter, and more. You can also receive notifications for calls, messages, and you can make calls with help of Bluetooth 5.3 technology. The smartwatch Noise Ultra 3 has a long-lasting battery life, and you can easily get through 7 days on single charge. Overall, I would highly recommend the smartwatch Noise Ultra 3. It has a lot of features, good build quality, and excellent battery life. It has a lot of features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.